Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today we're going to be colouring up this beautiful image by Janna Prosvirina, and we're going to do a flip through of two of her beautiful books that she's just brought out. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, thanks so much again for joining me. I've done this image on Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper, and I'm using some various Copic ink and also some Copic markers, a little bit of some Posca paint pen, and I had a lot of fun with this one, so I hope you enjoy the image. This is a speed colouring, but please hang around till the end of that. I've got 2 volumes of Janna Prosvirina's new books, Fantasy Dolls Volume 1 and 2. This image came from Volume 1, so if you're looking for that, it is in that one, and this is the 2 grayscale colouring books. So at the end, I'll do a quick flip through of those as well. I really loved this image, and I can't wait to colour some more, so let me know in the comments what you think. I have done this one as a speed colouring, but you can check out the full real-time video on Patreon. I also have done a commentary and a colour list conversion chart from markers to pencils. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button and the little bell if you want notifications when I upload new videos. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those, and come and join our Facebook group as well. I'd love to see you there, and we're actually doing a nice big event at the moment, so be sure to come and check it out. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll pop all of Janna's links in the description below as well, so make sure you check those out. Thanks again guys, see you in the next video.